Today I'm going to show you how to get a vendor using Zoho CRM in N8n step by step. This is a quick and practical workflow setup. Perfect if you want to pull vendor information from Zoho CRM into your automation without wasting time on guesswork or extra steps. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple N8n tutorials like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open the workflow you want to work on inside N8n. This is where you'll add the Zoho CRM action and connect it to the rest of your automation. Once your workflow is open, look over to the Nodes panel. In the search bar or the list of available nodes, choose Zoho CRM. This node is what gives N8n access to your Zoho CRM data and lets you work with records directly inside your workflow. After selecting Zoho CRM, you'll see the available actions for that node. From the list, choose Get a Vendor. This is the option you need if your goal is to retrieve vendor data from Zoho CRM. Now it's time to configure what you want. Set up the fields and options based on the vendor information you need for your automation. This might include the specific vendor you want to get, how the data should be pulled, or any other settings available in the node. Make sure everything matches your workflow goal so the node returns the exact vendor details you need. Once that's configured, your Zoho CRM node is ready to use. From there, you can continue building out the rest of your automation and connect this vendor data to the next step in your workflow. And that's it. You now know how to get a vendor using Zoho CRM in N8n. If this tutorial helped, please like the video and subscribe for more N8n automation walkthroughs, and I'll see you in the next one.